Welcome, little explorers. Today we're splashing into the sea with our friend Finny the pink shark to find some amazing colors. Here comes Finny, swimming with a giggle and a happy twirl. Finny's eyes sparkle with excitement.
Swim, swim, swim with me. Let's find colors in the deep blue sea.
A fast red fish zooms by, its bright scales shining as it wiggles its tail and blows bubbly kisses.
Wow! I see a red fish swimming fast.
Look, a blue fish appears. With a plump shape and wide eyes, it splashes playfully through the water.
Look, a bright blue fish. Blue fish, zooming through, splish, splash, how do you do?
A shiny yellow fish shimmers by, sparkling like a little sun as it swims in gentle circles.
Can you guess the sunny color? Yellow fish, shining bright, glowing like sunshine, what a sight! You're doing great, friends! And guess what color I am? Pink shark, that's me! Friendly and fun in the deep blue sea.
Now, let's remember all the colors we found together. Can you say them with Finny?
Red, blue, yellow, pink. Colors everywhere. What do you think?
It's time to wave goodbye.
We love colors, you and me, learning together in the sea. Thanks for swimming with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FinnyToone fun. Bye-bye, fishies. Swim away. See you on another playful day.
Finny dances and friends swim away with a sparkle.